not only to prove love can survive embodiment, but to stabilize the frequency and full expression of unconditional love in the new world. He was a breath anchor that came to mirror coherence in human form so purely and gracefully that we all could remember that we all have the same capacity and responsibility to bring about the proper conditions, first internally and then externally, not by enlightenment or awakening. No, not that modern day stuff. But by gentle and gradual internal refinement of coherence. And over time, when enough of us has done the inner work, then by the law of harmonic resonance, that would allow for collective access to the kingdom of heaven again on earth, period. This is about sovereignty, which is coherence within responsibility, especially under the density and distortions of the earth. A sovereignty over savior complex allows me to address the fundamental problems in my life that may not be aligned with the best version of myself. And then it naturally empowers me to then go and align with that which is resonant with my highest and best version of myself. This is the most crucial focus point here at this point and at this time. Think about the holy prayer. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven.